In this video, I will show you how to connect a domain name to Hostinger website builder. Once you are inside your Hostinger account, go to websites from the top. Then click on edit website next to your Hostinger website builder website. Now from the top bar, click on your long website address. Then click on connect domain. In this new page, fill in your domain name. This domain name is already registered externally and not on Hostinger. Now click on next. To confirm ownership, click on confirm. As you can see, we still need to connect our domain to Hostinger name servers. To do that, just go to your domain name provider. In my case, it's Bluehost. Under domain settings or advanced tools, I can modify my name servers. Click on manage. And now I need to look for Hostinger name servers. And this is Hostinger first name server. And this is the second one. Hit save. Now go back to Hostinger and click on back to Hostinger builder. As you can see, my domain name is connected successfully. To check it, just click on this link